Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add this survey feature to your app. If you see that the survey page is already added to your app, click on it. If not, click on View All and search for Survey and click on the page to add it. Existing app users can add the survey page exactly the same way. Now let's take a look at all that you can do with the newly added survey page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to what you would like. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon, an outline icon, an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and the website. Now let's move on to the content section. Here is your page menu name. If you want, you can change it to what you would like. From here, you can change its icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Here you need to provide the URL of the survey that you have created on SurveyMonkey. Click on the information icon for instructions on how to create a survey. When finished, copy and paste the URL link. On the right-hand side, you can check the preview of the survey feature. Click on Add More if you would like to add more surveys. Click on the trash can icon if you want to delete a survey and confirm to delete. That is all for now. Stay tuned to our channel to learn app building without coding.